So we're going to move on to pie charts now, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the bar chart information. I'm going to select this information with my mouse, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to take it over to Excel, and I'm going to paste it. And then for illustrative purposes, just to give you guys some idea about why I'm doing what I'm doing, I'm going to paste this actually twice because I want to show you some stuff. Pie charts are really misused and they're often poorly organized, and that's because people don't really understand how to do a pie chart. Your book gives you some examples, but pie slices and a pie chart, first of all, wouldn't go over more than 6 or 7 slices because they are so small that they really get hard to read. Also, it needs to have some type of organization. You typically start with the largest slice and move down. And if you're thinking about a pie chart as a clock, that first slice needs to kind of begin at 12 o'clock. So I've pasted this twice because I just want to show you in how just to automatically use organization to make your pie charts look better. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just select this information here. I'm going to go back to insert, and now I'm going to select the pie chart. Again, I'm just picking this 2D pie chart. I don't want anything exploding or anything like that. We don't need that. And I want to just show you that this is what the pie chart looks like. These are the default colors. This is everything. You guys have seen this before. Now I want to go over here, and I'm going to move this so that you can see it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select this data with my mouse, and then I'm going to use this sort feature that we've learned about. And I'm going to just do custom sort here. And I'm going to sort by the right column, number of moderate injuries. And I want to go from largest to smallest. I'm going to press OK. So it's the same data there. It's just organized beginning with knee instead of hip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this with my mouse. I'm going to insert another pie chart. Do you see the differences between this two? First of all, this is our big slice, and you can see that because we sorted it, this first slice, if we're thinking about a clock, it starts at 12. But just look at the differences in terms of the overall organization. That makes a huge difference, especially with pie charts. So you can go away. So we've got our pie charts here. You style these in the same way that you styled the bar chart. You can click on individual slices and you can color them. You can add fills and patterns. So if I wanted to make this particular slice green, let's not do green, let's do aqua or whatever that is. You also can play around a little bit with the individual slices. These first two slices for knee and foot and ankle really make up a big bulk of the chart. So if you wanted to make those a little bit more visually distinctive, you can actually click on these individual slices. An example, if you wanted to pull away, I'm holding my mouse down and I'm just pulling these away just to make them a little bit more visually distinctive. You can do that as well. Again, if you go up here to chart elements, you're going to see a bunch of information. What you're going to see here though are data labels, which you actually can play around a little bit, and you can see that it will actually convert some of those numbers to percentages. So it will help you visualize the information a little bit. So again, play around a little bit with that information as well.